when I became RTC, although this was the efforts from 2022 to 2023, the whole of 2022. We round 10 overtaking Region 12, 7, 11, 10, 5, 8, and 9 farm respectively, posting 20.8 poverty rate, 4.4% below the national average, which is 16.4 of Caraga-Bidyo. Unfortunately, the 5 provinces of Caraga, Dinagat Island still have the biggest and highest poverty incidence among families with 37.8%. Maybe we'll ask why, no? Siguro sa lahat ng paningamot po, because that's why we're trying to solve it all together. We are trying to do all the nation approach. Isa sa problema, we all know that we don't have a planful system that causes the inflation. O yun ay pupring yun kasi kung saan natin pinabangay. Although, ang survey was done, huwag gobernador ito, na yung going survey karoon. And we are seeing clearer results that we elevated people from poverty. So, dagang mga data na maski puri at dinaga nalay wala man naguto pero ato kita nalang ito na si Vince. 25 months or 2 years and 1 month that to be exact, that I first assumed office as governor in July 1, 2022. We have August 1, so doon katuig ito sa kamuha ng inyong gobernador. We have implemented various priority programs, kauban ng national line agencies, PNP of course, ang ato local government units, and the provincial government with the department heads, mga luoy ng kanya atong department heads. For 2 years na kaya, muna yung kinabayo na pagkatrabaho. Sa ginamang, we will be all dedicated, all of us, because we are able to get the results of our way volunteering in terms of reducing poverty to the lives of our people. Of course, alongside with the implementation of various post-COVID-19 typhoon recovery and rehabilitation activities, karoon pa kita na pabangon, karoon pa lang. So, it must harmonize and unify our limited resources and implement PPAs that will address the pressing needs of our communities and to celebrate the impact that felt by them. We have CPMS, Community-Based Management Systems, data to target priority programs and projects beneficiaries. Kabulong ako kasi bubre ang sa Pangaya, kinsa sila. That's why we are tuning our programs towards them behind the direction. So that we'll be able to solve the problem because you know already what is the problem and how to target the problem. So muna yung nakagawa ko sa ato, kaya na tayo data. Gamay na lang. The only that is maunang problema, because we don't have that much resources. Muna we go through innovation. There is a need for convergence and unity, the PLGUs and the municipalities, 100 barangays, the national line agencies, the COs, POs, NGOs, and other stakeholders should work towards that. If we wanted to be able to achieve what we wanted to achieve for the good of our people, then we must unify, hold hands, and be able to look together on how we're going to solve this problem. Basically, we have done so much already for 2 years. Gamay na natin. We have really 11 months more to go. And we believe that this will propel Dinagat to a greater heights. So, mura mo na nakaroon na magtinabangay na to be able to solve the problem of poverty. Ang nag-iingon, lagan at bubre, pero igo na po mga tao, ang atong mga tao. That's why we're going to cut down na wala, magutom, atong putlo ng kapubrihon, bawasan na ito, umuon lang na ito 20%. I thank everybody for being proactive and remain steadfast in our cause of fighting and defeating our modern enemy. Let us unite in reducing, in not really defeating poverty. Muna yung atong kultura. camaraderie in Dinagat Highlands. Once again, welcome everyone to the 28th Municipal Council meeting. Magdagang salamat sa inyong pagtampo ng inyong presensya. Dako kung ikatampo ang masulbad nato o mapilding nato ang atong bagong kaaway ang mga kapitbayan.